As Jen and I stood in complete shock, surrounded by the debris of our farm, we were filled with despair and uncertainty about our future. For over 10 years, we've poured our heart and soul into this flower farm, and it seemed like now everything was lost. But we were so grateful to come away with our lives and our home still intact. We refused to give up. We knew that life is unpredictable, and sometimes things don't go as planned. But we also knew that we had the strength to rebuild and persevere. The emotional and spiritual damage was palpable, but we were determined to turn this tragedy into an opportunity to grow and become more resilient. As we slowly picked up the pieces and began to rebuild, we realized that it wasn't just about restoring the farm, but also about rebuilding ourselves. We could have chosen to stay broken, to let defeat define us, but we refused to listen to that voice of worry, grumbling, and blame. Instead, we chose to focus on the voice of wisdom, gratitude, and faith. We found a reason to keep going, to keep fighting, and to not let the adversity break us. We knew that we had to get stronger, smarter, and more resilient. And we were willing to do whatever it takes to achieve that. As we pushed through this difficult time, we knew that everyone has what it takes to get past whatever they're going through if they decide to. The fight wasn't over, it was just beginning, and we were determined to show what we were really made of. We began to breathe new life back into the farm. We faced many challenges along the way, but we never retreated or ran away. We stood our ground, fought for what we believed in, and refused to be defined by any circumstance. As we emerged from this dark, dismal place, we realized that in the very act of standing up, fighting on, that we had become unbroken. We didn't do this alone, though. We have been so blessed to have an amazing community of friends and family to lift us up through all of this. We are forever grateful for you amazing souls. We do still have a lot of work to do, but today, our flower farm stands tall and thriving, a symbol of pure grit and determination to overcome adversity. We are proud of what we've accomplished, and we now know that we can face anything that life throws at us with strength, courage, and resilience. As we look towards the future, we're filled with excitement and anticipation for all that lies ahead. PepperHarrow now stands tall and strong, a symbol of determination and love. We know that life will continue to present us with challenges, but we are ready to face them head on, armed with the lessons we've learned and the strength that we've gained. We're inspired by the potential of what we can achieve, and will continue to grow and evolve, both as individuals and as a business. As we gaze upon the beauty of these flowers, we're reminded of an unwavering faith that anything is possible. Let's continue to sow the seeds of love, gratitude, and perseverance in our lives and in the lives of those around us, so that together we may bloom into our best selves.